What's up, guys? Bearded Kentuckian back at you today, and today I have a little unboxing and first impression look at a company just now starting up. It's Gladiator Beard Company. He's just starting up, guys. I think all he's got out on his line right now is a beard balm, and it's called just Gladiator Beard Company Icon. The scent's supposed to be an icon scent. So I'm just going to do a little unboxing. We're going to take a look at it, see, how it goes, just see everything, see how he packages it up. He contacted me and wanted to send me one just to look at. Owner's name's Murray. I really don't know where they're based out of, but here's the package he sent me. So very good packaging. I mean, that's pretty solid right there. But let's open this bad boy up and see what we got, guys. Let's see here. Very good packaging on it, guys. So that's a plus. It ain't gonna get damaged, that's for sure. Let's see. Hopefully he's got some bubble wrap in there, baby. There it is so far, guys. Looks like he sent me 2 bombs. Sent me a little letter here, a little note. It's always nice to get a little note. I think he said his oil, he's taking his time and doing everything right. He's working on the image of it. It's like based out of if you've watched the movie 300, Gladiator, 300, that's what it kind of reminds me of. So it looks like he's basing everything back in that era. So here's what he sent me, guys. It says, Philip encloses a couple of our beard balms. I hope you enjoy it. I will send you the beard oil before we release it to the general public. So he's going to send me an oil before he even releases it to the general public. So that's awesome. Before we even release it to the general public, I'd be glad to know what you think of it. I'll send that to you in a couple of weeks once we get it in the production bottle and box ready. So as soon as they get it in the box and ready to send out, get their labels on it, he's going to send me one before he even puts it out on production. So that's awesome. His name is Murray Sandiford. Murray Sandiford, guys. Here you go. See it, guys? Murray Sandiford. He's the founder and CEO of the Gladiator Beard Company. But there's the bombs. Let's get this open and see what we got here, guys. Oh, this is pretty cool. Look here, guys. It's in its own little box. It's in its own little box there, guys. And this is the Gladiator Beard Company, Gladiator Beard Balm, and it's the Icon scent. And guys, this is in it's a 2.6 ounce can, so you're getting a lot more. I think that's on his website. I believe that says that's like 30% more than what any other company gives you. So that's a plus. But here's the box, guys. It's got the directions and stuff on the back. There's the front again. But, of course, the directions is scoop a dime-sized amount into your palm and rub until melted. Apply to damp beard, style as desired. So the ingredients in this, guys, is shea butter, beeswax, argan oil, golden jojoba oil, vitamin E oil, sweet almond oil, apricot oil, avocado oil, pumpkin seed oil, grape seed oil, hemp seed oil, and guys, the he even gives the essential oils in this. So it's like it's got like 20 premium natural oils ingredients in it. So that his essential oils are frankincense, myrrh, if I said that right. Sorry guys if I butchered that. Bergamot, coca, peppermint, lavender, vanilla, patchouli, and orange, like a orange citrus. So that's all of his ingredients he puts in it. Sorry if I butchered some of them words, guys, but this product, he's got a little caution, a little warning on here. It says this product contains fruit and nut related ingredients. So it might, just like any other one, it may cause a allergic reaction. So try a little bit on your skin before you apply it into your beard. Just a little bit amount on there, it says. So he tells you about that. So let's open this box up, guys, and see. Let's see what she looks like in there. I don't want to try to damage it too much. So there we go. There you go, guys. It's a big can right there. That's a big can of Beard Balm, guys. That's a lot in that. And then he's got all his ingredients on the back. There's the back of it, guys. It's the Icon scent, like I said. I'm trying to cover everything for you all so you can see. So let's see what she looks like. White colored, and guys, to me, it smells good, guys, but I'm not good with just straight out of the can smelling. So to me, it just smells like a kind of like a cologne, like cologne. It's got like a cologne smell to it to me, but I always can smell a lot better once I get it out and rub it in the hands. Let's see what the consistency is. Oh yeah, that rubs. Look at that, guys. That's smooth. Comes out real good. Let's melt this down and see how. There it is in the hand, guys. Oh yeah, it's just like a butter there, guys. Gone smooth, no grit, no nothing in it. Oh, God. Yeah, it smells like just like a cologne to me. Got a cologne smell to it. Yep, but real smooth, guys. It comes out real easy. You can see how much you got in there. You get a whole lot of it, guys. So that's a plus, guys. You get a big old can of it, and hopefully I'll have the oil soon, and I'll get to try the oil out for you. But to me, guys, right out of the can, first scoop, to me, it smells like a cologne, a nice smelling cologne. I believe the ladies will love it. I believe the wifey will love it. But it smells good, guys. You need to give. He said he only sells it on Amazon. So I'll leave his link in the description below. So his Amazon link will be in the description. And this comes in the box, guys. And it's got like a dear customer thing on it. So that's a plus, guys. And he's asking if you'll leave a review on the Amazon site for him. So I'll probably go there and leave him a good review because, like I said, you get a lot of balm, 2.6 ounces. Smells good. It's smooth. Feels good. It's about like a butter, like I said, good. So he's got, just a little recap, he's got 20 ingredients in it. 9 essential oils, so I'm guessing he's got 11 carrier oils. So, but I hope I named them all off. I hope I said them right so y'all can understand it. And but that come in the box with it, and you get a sticker with it, guys. So you get a cool sticker with it. That's a plus. You know, we all love our stickers. And the other one is just the same thing, guys. It's the same thing. So he sent me 2 of them. That's awesome. Thank you, Mary. If you get to watch this video, thank you, man. I really appreciate it. Well, guys, I hope I covered everything for you all. I'll put his link in the description below. He only sells on Amazon. Oh yeah, guys, I forgot. I was reading on his Amazon page that 5% of his annual overhead, like 5%. Let's see, I got a little cheat for here. 5% of his annual profits. So 5% of his annual profits go to the U.S. military veterans. So that's awesome, guys. So he's donating 5% of his annual profits to the U.S. military veterans. So that's awesome. So that's a plus. That's a good reason to be buying off of him. But I appreciate y'all watching. I hope I covered everything, guys. Bearded Kentuckian out. See you guys.